Guys, welcome to my channel. Tomorrow I will be making Jaffna style Vadai. So for that I will be soaking urad dal, about 2 cups. I'm going to soak it overnight so that I can make it tomorrow. So I got 2 cups here. And I'm going to soak it with water and just let it soak throughout the night, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hey guys, so I soaked this urad dal last night, and I just took it out. I washed it, rinsed it off, drained it. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be grinding this to a paste. So basically I'm going to be grinding this to a paste. Do not add a lot of water. Just add a little bit water at a time to make it to a really thick paste. Okay guys, so I grinded the urad dal, and this is about 2 cups of urad dal, and I used about 5 tablespoons of water to grind this into a thick paste. Okay guys, so I'm ready to make the vadai. So basically the ingredient what you need for this Sri Lankan Jaffna style vadai is 1 onion, about 7 green chili. I'd like to add about a few red chili as well, so it gives some color. 3 stumps of curry leaf. You would need about 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, some salt, and the 2 cups of grind pasted urad dal. So let me go ahead and chop these onions and the chili and the curry leaf, and I'll come back. Okay guys, so I chopped up my 1 onion, the curry leaf. I like to chop my curry leaves, and the green chili is chopped. So basically take the onion and put it into the urad dal paste, the chili, curry leaf, salt, and 2 teaspoons of. So basically what I'm going to be doing is mix it up really well. Hey guys, I'm so sorry I forgot to add to the video about the fennel seed and the ginger that was supposed to go in the vadai batter. So basically you need to add this much of ginger and about 3 teaspoons of fennel seed. Okay guys, so I'm ready to make my vadai. The oil has been it's ready to go, and I have a bowl of water here. So basically what you need to do is just wet your hand, take the batter, and then put a hole like that, and then just bring it to the oil, and then just drop it, and then again do the same thing, and then just put a hole in the middle, bring it to the oil, and then so see how it lifts. Do another one. So just take that, wet your hand first, put a hole, and then just drop it. And then now I'm gonna let it boil. Fry actually till it gets golden brown. See how it is golden brown? Now you can take it out. Okay guys, so this is it. It's done. Nice and crispy and tastes really good. There you go. It's perfect. So thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed my video, please hit like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.